कांग्रेस नेता अश्विनी कुमार मिश्रा, अब ये बता दीजिए कितनी कितनी चोरी आप करेंगे? आपने ममता देवी का चोरी कर लिया, फोटो लगा दिया टी शर्ट पे. शी सेज शी इज नॉट गिवन यू परमिशन टू यूज हर पिक्चर और हर डिटेल्स टू प्रिंट टी शर्ट्स विद. KK Menon is accusing you of chori of his dialogue from his serial Special Ops and you've used it without permission. चोरी आप कर रहे हैं, इल्जाम सब पे लगा रहे हैं.
नाविका जी, vote chori isn't about politics. It is about the robbery of democracy in broad daylight. It is not about BJP or Congress. Please understand, it is not about Rahul Gandhi or Modi ji. It is about the very fundamental stone of our democracy, which is one man, one vote, clean voter list. Tomorrow, if in this room itself we are 3 people and if Shahzad is allowed to give 3 votes and we are allowed to give only 1 vote, obviously Shahzad will always win. And that is what is happening. That is what is happening in country. That is what has been happening. We have raised some serious question, which by the way Supreme Court has also acknowledged today. You mentioned Supreme Court. Supreme Court said that Mr. Yadav, you have given a very good analysis and you have raised a very important question which Election Commission of India has to answer. So let's forget about what Rahul Gandhi is saying. Let's forget about what we are saying. Let's talk about what is the problem we are discussing here. The problem is our democracy is in danger. We are heading towards the dictatorship. We are heading towards where the Hitler Raj was. Because Navika ji, a stolen vote might crown some dictators, but it can never crown a true leader. You need to believe that. And I want to ask my friend Shahzad.
So only vote chori has happened in the Lok Sabha election?
No, I have been demanding cancel every election, cancel every post.
तो हिमाचल प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, तेलंगाना
2024 मोदी जी हमेशा सारी गवर्नमेंट बर्खास्त करो, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भी बर्खास्त करो. नाविका जी जस्ट लास्ट थिंग, मैं अपने मित्र शहजाद पूनावाला से पूछना चाहता हूँ. हालांकि वो मुझे
मित्र,
हाँ हमारे
बीजेपी वाले आपके मित्र,
हमारे हम सब भारतीय पहले हैं, बाद में बीजेपी और कांग्रेस हैं. और ये मुझे सच्चा हिंदू नहीं मानते, बट मैं इनको सच्चा मुसलमान मानता हूँ. मुसल्लम ईमान, जिसका ईमान अडग हो. आप ईमानदारी से बताइए, अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के ईमानदारी से बताइए, क्या ये जो वोट का मसला है, वोट चोरी का मसला है, या जो अलग अलग वोट बने हुए हैं, क्या ये देश के लिए खतरा नहीं है? क्योंकि कभी आप कांग्रेस में थे, कभी आप बीजेपी में होंगे, कभी आप किसी तीसरी पार्टी में होंगे.
But Ashwini ji, you did not answer a single question that I asked you. Manta Devi, I asked you the question on who gave you permission to use, and 1900 and 1990 is a typo. Is a typo going to become a vote chori evidence for you in the court? Typo bhi nahi hona chahiye. I agree with that. The Election Commission will have to fix it. But it is a typo error. Is that enough to make a case for vote chori, number one? And number two, you didn't respond. KK Menon ki dialogue chori kisne ki? But Shahzad Poonawala, clearly the Congress's entire charge sheet has nothing to do with the facts.
Because Navika ji, he has spoken about robbery of democracy and he invoked 3 of us. Imagine in this room, instead of 3 of us, there was Mr. Rajanna, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Tharoor. Then Rahul Gandhi would have 3 votes and Rajanna and Tharoor would have 0 votes. And that too for speaking the truth. Now let us forget what Rahul Gandhi is saying. Obviously you will forget what Rahul Gandhi is saying, because today look at the Khandani chor, certified Zameen chor, land for job chor, convicted Chara chor. They are saying Election Commission is doing chori. Okay. And what is this Rahul Gandhi also said? And I have watched Times Now, not just at 9 p.m. Navika, it's my favorite show, but I also watch at 5 p.m. I watch at 6 p.m. And what have they shown? They have shown that Rahul Gandhi line number 1 website is down. It was not down. Rahul Gandhi line number 2 digital role has not been provided. PDF role was provided. Rahul Gandhi line number 3 Aditya Srivastav has got 3 votes, turned out to be false. Line number 4 Shakun Rani has 2 votes and she has voted twice. The old lady has come out and said I voted only once. आज मिंटा देवी का झूठ, और प्लस अभी ये जमीन चोरी और लैंड चोरी के बाद दे हैव बिकम कंटेंट चोर. टाइम्स नाउ का क्या होता तो टाइम्स नाउ तो सू कर देता, बेचारा केके मेनन ने तो कुछ नहीं किया. एनीवेज उसने सिर्फ वो ट्वीट करके छोड़ दिया है. आते हैं अगली बात पर. नाविका जी देखिए ना, डेमोक्रेसी कितनी सुरक्षित है. आज वो आपने उनको नहीं बुलाया, वो सस्पेंडेड लीडर को.